Hello there, how are you doing? Welcome to Success Online Australia, where you learn tips and tricks on how to improve your sales through strategic planning on web development and optimization. In this video, we are going to share with you 5 ways on how to run a successful SEO campaign. But before we go with the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel and be updated with the latest online trends. Okay, let's get on with the video, shall we? Online business's success is rooted to a strategic use of search engine optimization or SEO. In order to gain traffic to your website, one should be able to incorporate all essential steps that will keep your business growing and striving. And here's how you will run a worthwhile SEO campaign. First, you should construct your goals. Your business operation should have clear goals that will explain why they should buy your product or service. Second, get your keywords updated. Regularly optimizing and researching relevant keywords can boost your website's online presence and profits. Third, come up with relevant content. Your web page's content should attract visitors and keep them longer to spark potential interactions. Fourth, solid link building. Growing businesses must have different channels where potential customers can reach or contact you if they want to know more about the product or service. Lastly, constant evaluation and monitoring. There are different types of software that can calculate the performance of your website. You can also go to your SEO consultant on what to improve and modify to better your web page. These are 5 ways on how to run a successful SEO campaign. Do you agree with our list? Hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your website, visit us at successonline.com.au. We'd love to help you.